Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0446, Evaporative Emission Control System Vent Control Circuit Malfunction. Basically, it means your car's computer thinks there's an issue with how it's venting fuel tank vapors. Don't worry, this is a common problem and often an easy fix. Your car's fuel tank evaporates gas, and the evap system captures those vapors to prevent them from polluting the air. The P0446 code means the computer isn't happy with how that venting process is working. Before we begin, it's important to note that messing with your car's fuel system can be dangerous. If you're not comfortable, take your car to a mechanic. That said, this fix is often very simple. Diagnosing the problem. First, pop the hood and use your OBDI scanner to confirm the code is P0446. If there are other codes present, it might be a more complex issue. With P0446, the culprit is usually one of three things: a loose or faulty gas cap, a clogged vent control valve, or a leak in the evap system. Now let's fix the problem. Check the gas cap. The gas cap is the most common reason for P0446. Make sure it's tightened all the way. Some caps click when secure. Inspect the rubber seal for cracks or tears. If it's damaged or the cap feels loose, replacing the gas cap with a new one from the manufacturer is a cheap and easy fix. Clear the code with your OBDI scanner and see if the light comes back after a few drives. Inspecting the vent control valve. If a new gas cap doesn't solve the problem, the next suspect is the vent control valve. This valve opens and closes depending on engine conditions. Consult your car's repair manual to locate the valve. It's usually near the charcoal canister. You can often clean the valve with compressed air, but sometimes it needs replacing. This can be a more involved process, so refer to your repair manual or take it to a mechanic if you're not comfortable. Checking for leaks. If the problem persists, you might have a leak in the evap system. This can be tricky to diagnose without special tools. Smoke machines are a common tool mechanics use to identify leaks in the system. They pump smoke into the system, and any leaks will show themselves as smoke escaping. Unless you have access to a smoke machine, this is a job best left to a professional. Conclusion: by following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and potentially fix the P0446 code yourself. Remember, replacing the gas cap is the easiest and most common solution. If the problem goes beyond that, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about P0446 or other car troubles, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair videos.